Okay, everybody. A lot of people inquired about Miss Rosie, the bulldog that I put on our website from the border shelter. So she just got here yesterday, and she does have some issues going on. So she will be visiting Dr. Bowman this week for an evaluation. I've noticed there's something going on with her back end. She appears to have what I would call just a little hitch in her giddy up. So she, when she walks, you can tell sometimes her little back legs kind of give out. So I don't know what's going on. And she's itchy, but we did give her flea and tick medication. She's really tired. Yes, hi baby doll, but sweet as sugar. Look at little tail thing wiggle like that. But you can tell she's not been taken care of. She's in horrible shape. She's probably been used as a breeder dog. Oh, I know. I love you. Yes, I do. Oh, she's precious though. They said that she was 12 years old on her intake papers, but she's not. I'm going to let Dr. Bowman give us a more accurate age, but I'm, guessing 6. But as you know, bulldogs, they have such severe underbites, it's hard to even get your hand in her mouth to look at the back of her teeth. And she's very itchy, and she did have a lot of goop in her eyes, so we've, started her on some stuff for that, but definitely has not been taken care of. So I just wanted everyone to know she is safe, and she's staying in my office, so she's not going to be around any of the other dogs. Come on, sweetie. And very itchy, but she's had her flea and tick med, but I don't know, hers just itchy. Oh, come here, Rosie. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. She's just precious, right? Okay, so that's Rosie.